Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish my Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that notification as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. And in today's video guys, I'm going to do another unboxing, our usual unboxing. So today's unboxing is this. Is huge. It's a huge box. So let's open. Oh, I think you know guys, what is it? What's in here? Because you can see it in the box. And this is from Amazon. Love, love, love. Oh dear. So this is huge. This is big. And I mean big. Oops. Oh wow. Oh, how will I get this? 1, 2, 3. Oopsie daisy. Okay. Hang on. Okay, let's put it there. And oh my gosh, it's as tall as me. Oh, it's, look.
I know. Very unusual, there's no fun. So
what's
you need
this?
to see whether it works or not.
It's see-through. So this is fan.
Yeah, air purifier and cooler.
Air purifier and cooler.
Yeah,
So it cools you and purifies
the air. If it works,
So how does it?
supposed to.
So this is like that.
We won't know until we try.
Oh, so this is the back, guys. Look at that.
Yeah, just as a replacement for that small desk.
Oh,
The cube
yeah,
one we bought,
alright.
which didn't have its leads, and it was supposed to come with leads. And it looked like it was a return. Someone probably bought it, didn't like it and returned it, forgot to put the lead back in. So I didn't bother reordering that, and I ordered this instead, even though this costs 5 times as much.
Oh. So this
And
is more,
hopefully this will work.
this is more pricey than the other one.
Yeah, it's much bigger. And
Yeah.
it does 2-in-1, filters the air as well as cools it.
So that is the filter here.
Yeah.
So you have to, it needs unscrewing there. So it says air cooler in here. So more voltage 220, 240.
80 watts.
Yeah. So let's turn it again. So this is like a speaker. What do you call that? So maybe reduce noise.
I don't really know.
And this one is where you can see the water.
Yeah, you have to put cold water in there.
Cold water.
Cold water and ice.
Yeah. And this one, guys, at the top is like that.
The controls.
All the controls.
And I think it may have a remote control as well, but I'm not sure.
I didn't see any remote. So there's the cool swing. Oh, so that's the swing in there. And that's the speed. 3 speed. And mode. 3 mode. And timer. Oh, 8 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours, and then 1 hour. And that is the on and off button here. So I think you cannot use the 8 hours because it's too long.
I won't use the timer at all. Don't need to.
No. So you just use it.
Put it on when you need it, turn it off when you need it.
Yeah. So
The timer is more for night time.
yeah.
Put it on at night so it can switch itself off.
Yeah, so this is the swing. Okay, good at. Oopsie. It's there. So, okay guys, so that is the remote.
And the instruction book.
And the instruction book. So it's good because there is a remote and instruction book. Which is, this is the important one. anyway in every appliances that you buy, so you know how it. Oh my gosh, I ripped it. Okay, it's ripped on. So that is the thing. And that's the remote. So that's the
leave
remote.
the thing on.
Yeah. So there's lots of controls in there. I think the controls on the top here is here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can either use the remote or this control from the top.
Yeah. And I think you can put battery in there. So that is the instruction. It's quite thick instruction.
Where do you open to put the water in from?
To put the water.
I don't see any flaps.
How to use the ice crystal box, and it says you have to open it.
And there should be 2 bottles somewhere
Yeah.
that you put in the freezer.
Yeah. This is the one. There. There. So you have to.
You have to fill those and put them in the freezer.
So this is the bottle, and there is a max in there, maximum thing.
And then as well as those, you put cold water in as well.
Yeah. And this is this one cannot come out. So that is when you put water here, or when you put this in there. Put the ice in here, is it?
Yeah.
So there is something inside.
We have to read the instructions.
So there is something inside here. So maybe that to make the water stays cooler.
Maybe.
And then you can put water in there. Fill the water tank with cool water. Yeah, so this. But if you use water, you don't put this.
You should do. That's what keeps the water cold.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because that will be ice.
So there's 2 in there, and you can put water in there, and then after this frozen, you can put it in there to keep the humidifier.
To keep the water cool.
Yeah, to keep the water cool. So like that, and then that is for lock, so it does, so our baby doesn't open it. So it's okay because this one is long. You can plug it a bit further from the.
You want to open that, we'll have to plug it and try. It can be used without cold water as well.
Really?
Yeah, we'll have to see if it works.
Okay, let's try it, guys. So this is unboxing and review.
Well, full review we can't do until we freeze the bottles. So
Yeah,
it have to be done another day.
This is partially review. You have to see if it works, guys. Okay. Okay, so I plug it in, and let's see if it works. Okay. Okay. So press it. Oh, it's very quick. I just touch it and it's
Is
all.
it blowing in the air?
Yeah, it's blowing
So
air.
how come? Where is the fan? There must be a fan there somewhere.
So this is the air is coming out from here.
Not the middle.
Because nothing. So the air is coming in the rim.
Try the speeds. 1, 2, 3. Is that the lowest?
This is the lowest. This is medium. So it's the medium is the noise is a bit louder.
I will be even louder.
So, okay, so now let's see the high. Oh my gosh, it's more louder.
Is there a nighttime setting on the top? Sleep setting, nighttime setting?
Yeah, there is
Yeah,
a slip.
press that, see what happens.
This is normal, and
Just
then
press the slip.
this is natural, maybe, and that is a slip. It doesn't make any difference. It's the same noise. Oh yes, it is.
Yeah, so it just turns it down to the lowest.
Yeah, not,
Is
but
it
not that very low.
No, so it's going back up again.
It gone down and up, down. So
That's
that's
not
what.
good, that's worse.
So that's what happened. It goes up and down,
So we
up and
just have to
down.
use the lowest setting, not the night setting.
Let's see the normal. No, let's see the medium on sleep.
Still the same. Up
Still
and
the
down, it's
same.
no good. That's
Yeah.
worse. Keep you awake. So
Let's
take it
see
off the night
swing.
setting.
I put the swing. Oh, it's more noisy. Noise.
Yeah, no, don't
Yeah.
put that one as well. I think they're just gimmicks.
So it just go. Yeah, the air goes there and here. Let's see. Cool. This is cool.
You need cold water in there, so don't
It
use that
needs
for the
water.
time.
Yeah. So that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 buttons
So
lights
take
up.
it off the night setting. If it's still on there.
So it's for normal. So this is normal, and I take off the swing. Yeah. So that is normal.
Put it on the lowest setting.
Medium. So that's the lowest setting.
And put it on swing as well. See if the noise changes.
No, it doesn't. The noise is still the same when it swing. Do you like it when it swing?
I don't know. Does it make any difference? Do you feel any difference?
Yeah, but if I'm here and you are there,
You
then
have to put it next
it
to the
goes.
bed where the other purifier
Yeah.
is.
So I think that's fine. The swing is, it doesn't swing that much anyway.
Yeah.
It just swing very slow.
So just take it off the swing. So
Yeah.
that's what we have to leave it on at night because this is mainly for nighttime use
Oh,
anyway.
so the swing didn't
So
go.
this must be the remote control thing.
Ah, so yeah,
Pointed
that's
there.
why. I thought it's a speaker. You don't speak. So that's what the thing. What do you call that? When you point the remote in there, that picks up. And, oh, so that's very nice. I like it. I
Yeah.
really, really like it.
Hopefully when we put the frozen bottles plus cold water in there, it should make it a bit cooler.
And it's
And we can
blowing.
use it when it's really hot at night, because that's when it's difficult to sleep.
Yeah. And it's blowing air as well. Cold air at the back a bit.
Yeah.
So it's just a surround thing. This is a shame. Nothing in here. They could put something here so it will be more stronger. Is it?
Yeah, they could have put the fun as well.
Yeah. But anyway, this is the design. So this is the new modern
New
design.
fungals.
Modern design. So it looks nice. So when you hold it, when you move it, then it's easy to hold it there. So in a way, it's good. The design is good. And also, there is something here. So if you hold it,
Yeah,
you can hold it here.
Yeah, that's to hold.
Yeah, this is the proper way to hold it. Not here, but then holding it here and not touch it in here. It's a bit of air.
Well, it pulls the air from there.
Oh, so it's pulling the
Because
air.
there's a filter there, so it filters it from dust.
Oh, so this is filter as well.
Catches dust or smoke or whatever.
Oh, so that's good. Our house will be free of dust. I don't need to
But
do
then that
dusting.
will need changing, cleaning.
So this will make the dusting in the house good.
No, in the house, just in that room, in that spot.
Move it in every room so it will all the dust will be gone like a fairy magic.
You can turn it off. So,
Yeah, okay guys, so this is the unboxing and review setup for
yes.
today. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. If you watch this unboxing guys, please click like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Love, love, love.